Hi friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you the latest Acer V3571G. Now this Acer Aspire V3 series is a direct successor of the 5755s that used to be there in Acer, and this is the value series of Acer laptops that Acer has launched. So let me just show you the battery that it has got first. This is the way the battery looks like. This is very much like the 4733s and the 5755s. We read out the voltage rating for you. This is 10.8 volts and 4400 mAh, 48 watt hours. This is a 6-cell lithium ion battery on a 2GB graphic card based laptop like the V3. It should give you around 2 to 2.5 to 3 hours backup at the max if you optimize the graphic card correctly. So let me just put the battery back into the laptop and show the laptop to you. This V3571G that we are reviewing today is a Core i3 3rd generation 3110M based laptop. It's got a 4GB RAM, 750GB hard drive, 2GB graphics, and Windows 7 Home Basic onto it. You can very well upgrade the Windows 7 to a Windows 8 by paying around 700 rupees on this. So let me just show you the top panel. As you can see, it is all glossy here. There is absolutely no design whatsoever. Jet black to be very precise. And as you can see, there will be a lot of these marks once you start using it because of its glossy nature. It's not smudge free, so it will be having a lot of smudges all over. So it's pretty much squared. The whole LCD panel is. It's not having any rounding anywhere. You have this silver color panel running all around. The Acer logo is basically embossed and metallic. This is the way the top panel looks like. Let me just show you the tilt angles. The total tilt angle of this laptop is quite good. As you can see, this is the max that your Acer V3 will go. This is somewhere around 160 degrees. That's quite good, and it will give you real good Alright, so let me just show you the keyboard and the stuff that is there inside and the way it looks on the inside. So as you can see, it's a combination of a silver and black color all over. The entire keyboard area is having a silver finish. This is where the power button is. The speakers are based out here. The hinges are well placed. They are upright, so much better than the earlier series. Having absolute silver color. There is no silver tone, is very much clearly visible. The keyboard is a chiclet full size keyboard. Let me show you through the entire keyboard here. The size of the keys are good. They could have been a little bit bigger, like in the Lenovo's and the HP's we have it, but very comfortable. Especially the enter key is pretty comfortable. Let me show you this palm rest area now. The palm rest area is entirely having the same glossy finish that is there on the top panel, and even it will have a lot of smudges all the time. You have the Aspire logo here. This is the config of the laptop that we are reviewing today. It's got a GT630M 2GB graphic card on board. It's very important that you switch off your graphic card from the BIOS to enable advanced power management features. Now the touchpad is not all that great. It is small in size and having a matte finish. It could have had some texture, so better grip would have been there, but that's the way it is. You have the right and the left keys, single uni key over here, the left and right keys. Alright, let me show you the screen now. The screen, as you can see, is a 15.6 inches HD LED glare. It's basically a 720p HD compatible screen. It will play 1080p, but the resolution will be max 1366 x 768. The camera that we have on this is a 1.0 megapixel webcam. Good enough. HD quality video can be shot on that. And the edges here are also having a glossy finish. As you can see, they're not textured. They're having an entirely black glossy finish. Alright, let me just show you the I/O ports on this laptop. This is the way it looks on the left. Not all that slim actually. Because it's a value notebook, you cannot compare it to the V5. Let me show you the another angle. Now it will be more clear to you. So as you can see, this is the thickness of the Acer V3. Let's get close. You have the charging port. This is basically a design. You have the Ethernet port, quite a good amount of heat dissipation area that they have left here. The vent is quite neat, big enough. You have the VGA, you have the HDMI, you have USB 3.0, and you have a headphone and a mic combi. Separate, and this is the way it looks on the front. You have the memory card reader here. You have 4 indicators. One is power, charging, hard drive, and Wi-Fi. 4 indicators over here. Nothing else in the front. Absolutely nothing else. And on the right you have 2 more USB ports. USB 2.0 actually. They're not 3.0. And you have a normal DVD writer, that is a SATA DVD writer. You have the Kensington lock over here. Again, the design, the rounded design is over here. This is the way it looks on the right. And the base, very much similar to all the 5755s and the 4733Zs, conventional Acer base. You have one entire panel over here which encases the RAM and the hard drive, so that's something good. And you can just upgrade your RAM to a 16 GB RAM. This is where the fan is located, so it's another good thing. You have some more air that goes into the motherboard, good amount of spacing given. Even here you have meshes which will allow a lot of good air to go inside. You have the rudders here, 4 rudders, 2 big ones and 2 small ones, one over here and one over here. All in all, good little value notebook by Acer with a 2 GB graphic card, priced at around 41,000 rupees here in India. It's a good buy. So this, my friends, was a small little review of the Acer V3 571G. We hope you like the videos, and do let us know of your suggestions in comments. And you can buy this laptop on our website on cash on delivery all across India. Thank you so much.